Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. This is Sapy, and today we're going to practice some easy daily use English sentences. So let's get started. इस सेल्फी में ये कौन है? Who is it in this selfie? Who is it in this selfie? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? आज तुम इतना लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? ये कब शुरू होता है? When does it start? When does it start? तुमने ये साड़ी कब खरीदी? When did you buy this saree? When did you buy this saree? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? When did you sleep? किसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए? Who wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? कौन खाना पकाएगा? Who will cook the food? Who will cook the food? तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? किस कॉलेज से हो आप? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? वो लड़की कौन है? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? अगला टॉपिक क्या था? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What's your quality? What's your quality? तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? तुम वहाँ से क्यों भागे? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? क्या इंसान हैं आप? What a person you are. What a person you are. For more videos, do subscribe, press the bell icon, and thanks for watching.